Okay, now it's time to find the best location for the rear power cell in our 1979 CJ7. We're installing our 20 circuit kit in the Jeep. The 20 circuit kit includes our master cell and two of our power cells, one for the front and one for the rear. We've already shown where we're mounting the master cell and the front power cell. Now it's time for the rear. And one thing you need to consider when you're mounting your power cells and finding the best location is that your power cells are remote fuse and relay boxes, which means that you need to have reasonable access to get to them. If you ever were to blow a fuse, you need to be able to get to this power cell, take off the cover, and be able to exchange the fuse. So you need reasonable access. The other thing to consider when you're mounting and find the best location for your power cell is you want the power cells close to the things you're turning on and off because that minimizes the total amount of wire you have to run through your car or truck. So here in the back of our Jeep, we have our brake lights, our tail lights, our turn signals, our backup lights, a high pressure fuel pump in the tank, and then we also want to have the provisions to add trail lights and other things to accessorize the Jeep. And all those are going to get powered off the rear power cell. So we want it back here in the back of the Jeep. The best location we found is actually in this passenger fender. There's a great cavity well out of the travel of the wheel, and we're going to fabricate a tray with a cover that we can put the power cell here in this fender. We can run the primary power from the battery to power the power cell, and it's also an easy run to get the CAN cable from the master cell behind the dash to this location. So we're going to fabricate that tray and get this power cell mounted. Keep watching these videos so you can learn how to wire your car or truck with our Infinitybox system. If you have questions, give us a call at 847-232-1991 or check out our website at www.infinitybox.com. If you like these videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we post more. Thanks for watching.